Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. Today's the day that we get to choose the winner for this beautiful Prima Love Clippings mini album, and as promised, we will do an entire flip through so that y'all could see what the winner receives. So this is the front of the mini album, and I do have a series of tutorial series is what I meant to say on this mini album, and I'll go ahead and link you right up there and also in the description area below, so that if you want to see how I made this album in its entirety, you can go ahead and check out that series. So here's the front of the book, and I just love how this came out. Now in my last video I did say that I had a little bit of trouble with what do you call it, the closure of the mini album, and I don't know why, but it's always such a difficult thing for me to do. And it's not like I'm lacking the things to do enclosures with, it's just that I don't know how to do them. But anywho, this is the spine of the mini album. I did use a Heartfelt Creations mini album base, and I just love the thickness. It is a very well made mini album, and this is what the back looks like. Beautiful, beautiful. And this mini album is more of a kind of like shabby vintage, but not too shabby, and I guess not so vintage, but I really don't know what genre this would fall into. Maybe shabby vintage. I know it's not shabby chic because it has a lot of dark tones in it. And so yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the first page. Ta-da! I just love the way this mini album came out, and I tell you, there was a lot of work put into this. So we have die cuts from Heartfelt Creations and also Spellbinders, and this is just a booklet that I made. Oops, I'm off frame, sorry about that. This is just a booklet that I made that slides right along here, and we also have the very same exact thing on the back cover and on the inside of the back cover, so we'll look at that later. So here is the first page. Now the base of the Heartfelt Creations mini album just comes with your, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages, and they make the gussets wide enough. I believe they're ½ inch. Yeah, ½ inch gussets. They're wide enough so that you can build on this mini album. Okay, let me go ahead and center it right there. So on the first page you find a little envelope with a note tag. Let's see, note tag sticker. Actually this is glued onto here, and the winner can go ahead and add little love notes or what have you on here. And so this goes right along here, and I did use some dies from Spellbinders, bling, and trims from my stash. And this opens like so, and it does have some pretty strong magnets on it as well. So right along here, and because I was afraid of running out of paper, I did use some other Prima papers for this. So this opens up like so. Let me move it along, and then this opens up like so. So you see you have these folds right along here. And here is another die from Spellbinders, and this opens up like this. Alrighty, and there we go, just like that. Oh, let me show you the paper. Here's the paper for it, and as you can see, I have some trims. Let me see if I could do this better for you. There we go. Okay, and as you can see, I have a die and a trim right there, and this is not a pocket, this is just something to adorn this beautiful page. And so this closes like so, and this closes like so, and of course we have wait a minute, this closes like so, and it closes like so. Okay. I just forgotten how many folds I put on here. Okay, so this is page 1. Now, the back of page 1 looks like this, and we have some tags from the collection. I pretty much used everything in this collection. I tell you, I have maybe several scraps and some stickers left, and that's it. So the winner is going to receive these tags, and you can put them right along there. And let me just stick them back in here. That's where they go. And this is just kind of like a little frame to add an oval picture on. And right along here, we also have a couple of frames. This one is sitting flat and this one is mounted. And over here, we do have a tag, just like so. Okay, a large tag for a picture that's going to go in here. Now, I haven't counted the spaces, the number of spaces for the pictures that you get, but trust me, you get a lot of space here. And here is the other page. I think this is my favorite page. And so here is another booklet that you can slide it on this side belly band, and it looks like so and like so. And so we just put it right along there. And over here we have this beautiful page. Oh, I love this page. And let me see, how do I do this? Does this open up? Yes, it does. Okay, it's been a while. So this has strong magnets, so please be careful when you open it, okay? And so here we go. This goes like so, and this is going to open like this, and this is going to open like this. And then what happens here? Oh yeah, this opens like this, and then this opens like this. See, a lot of spaces. I tell you, it took me forever to make this book. And of course, we have some nice paper right along here. So this closes like this, it closes like that, closes like that, closes like that, and the final close right there. And here I just kept it simple so that perhaps you could put a picture of a child or a grandchild on here, or wedding pictures or what have you. And I kept it simple right along here, and this is not being held by magnets or anything, just the ribbon, okay? And this is just a sideways or a horizontal waterfall that we made. And these are not pockets. This was just glued down to make it look pretty. And these two are by some dies from Heartfelt Creations. And so we go one here and one here and one here and one here, and this is the end of our waterfall. So as you can see, this was a very involved process. It's got a ton of features in it, and I hope that the winner likes it. And here is another simple page. Now, this is the last page. What I decided to do here is to make a couple of pockets with, not pockets, but belly bands to hold these together. And this is just from the collection. Okay, and I turned them into just a couple of little booklets. And here is the other one, and it goes like so and like so, and so these are just the belly bands. Now there are a couple of magnets here. Here's one feature, a flap there and another flap there, and of course the magnets are going to be here, and here's more space for your pictures. And it opens like so, and here's plenty of space for your pictures and plenty of space for your pictures there. So I'm going to close it up, and this closes and this closes. It holds that together. And of course I'm going to put the little booklet there and the other booklet there. Alrighty. And the back of the last page is just a plain page, as you can see. And over here, I did the very same exact thing like I did with the front cover. I used the dies from Heartfelt Creations to create these two tuck spots, I guess is what you call them. And it holds another booklet. And this booklet was adorned with dies die cuts from Spellbinders dies here and here and here, and this is dimensional. I don't know if you could tell if I raise it up like so. And so it opens up like this and like so, and you could add pictures in here and just slide it onto here, and here is the back page of my mini album, or the back cover. And yeah, this is it, and it took me forever to make that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stamp right in the back so that it says it was made by moi. And I hope that the winner likes it. So thank you to all of those crafters who participated in my giveaway. And as you know, all you had to do was do a video response for this mini album, and let's go ahead and choose the winner. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye.